Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna be making caramelized onion. This is something where you can put on top of your bravos roll or sausage roll or hot dog, or you can put on top on a burger. You can put on anything, and you can store it and use it at any time. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Perfect.
So yeah guys, you can store that in the fridge and you can use it at a later date. So I hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Don't also forget to share with your friends and family, and also follow me on my social media links that are gonna be down in the description box. Guys, until next time, bye.